How to reset your Fantasy Premier League password. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com. Here, tap on the login option you see there in order to start the process of resetting your password. Here in the login portal, you will see the option for forgot password. So tap on the forgot password option you see there and you will now be required to enter the email address of the account that you have forgotten. So go ahead and tap on the email address text box and enter your email address and then tap on the submit button. You will now receive a recovery code in the email ID that you just entered. So go ahead and enter the recovery code sent to you. Once entered, you will be required to go ahead and select a new password for your account. So go ahead and enter your new password and make sure to meet all the passwords requirements in order to complete the process of resetting your password. Once you are done entering the new password, tap on the submit option on the bottom of your screen, and with this, as you can see, your password has been updated successfully. So this was about how you can reset your password in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.